Want this? Let's open InShot. This is the full edit, so you don't say it's fake or copied. Export it so InShot does not lag. Lower the opacity. Zoom in. Find where you need it to start. Crop till where you want it to end. Zoom in on editing panel to focus. It's optional. Select how much you need it to go down. Take keyframes exactly like me. Make the image go up in these keyframes. Select these ease feature. Copy it. Remove all keyframes. Take the image to the bottom. Take keyframes exactly below the previous ones.